Well, here I am at the Rookery Swamp Trail, not too far from Naples, Florida. About 10 in the morning, March 23rd, 2016. This is the trailhead. It's supposed to be about a 12-mile walk or ride. I have my bicycle, so I will be riding. There's water on both sides of the trail. Initial part of the trail anyway. And I'll be going down to this wooden walkway, that kind of a short walkway that gets you on the main trail. Beautiful place here, and March is a good time to be here. No mosquitoes. Look at all those birds. Okay, I'm at the start of the loop. Came from that direction. Big lake over here. And this is the start of the trail here. Buzzards ahead. Well, it looks like I got a gator in the path. If I sound out of breath, it's because I am. I've been riding my bike. Anyway, I'll just walk by this bad boy, keeping my bike between me and it. You shouldn't mind. He moved a little bit, but not in an attacking way. It's a little hard biking. The trail's a little soft, but I guess that'll check my endurance. Hey, here's one more my size. Yeah. Cute little guy. I get a little closer, see what he does. Yeah, back into the water. There he is. Just saw some baby gators. They're all on the bank sunning themselves. Hope you can see them here. Whole bunch of them. Okay, this is more interesting. There's a gator on both sides. One there, one on that side. So, I guess I'll get off my bike. Or maybe I'll stay on my bike and just ride through them. I really don't think they pose much of a threat. So, here goes. I get my bike going. They're not very big anyway. Okay, no problem. If they were 12 or 13 footers, it might have made me nervous. I think it's mating season. Broad-shouldered hawk. Oops, just took a dump. And up ahead, you have a larger gator. At least its head is facing in the right direction. Actually, two gators. It's like boyfriend and girlfriend to me. Oh, you're a big boy. You're a big boy, huh? Gonna hold your ground while your girlfriend took off. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is a big guy. I can go past him on the right side. His head is facing away from me, so I should be okay. Looks well fed anyway. Probably because he's been eating hikers. Got some more babies here. The big guys up there. And then there's a bunch of babies all along here. Like to catch one. Mama's probably pretty close by though. Well, let me see if I can get past this big guy. Could be their dad. I better put the camera down and use both hands on this bike. It's not pushing too good with one hand. Well, he looked at me. It looks like Mama's over there in the water. There's Papa. Big one. And another one up a few feet ahead. I can't believe how long this gator is. It doesn't look very thick, like most of the older gators. It just looks long. Unbelievable. At first, when I came up here, I thought there were two gators together. My goodness. Interesting, on this side of the path, the water is covered with duckweed. Go over on this side of the path. The water's clear. Got more babies here.